Our list at number 10. Mastercraft Corsair Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Load range, C, PLA rating, 6. Outline white lettering. Speed rating, Q. Mud terrain. Advertised prices for a single tire only. Wheel not included. Our list at number 9. BFGoodrich Mud Terrain K and All-Terrain Tire. Features. Digger lugs, upper sidewall traction bar. High void tread design with larger footprint. Unbelievable traction for deep dirt, mud. Superior rock climbing and slick surface traction. Tri-guard 3-ply polyester carcass guards against punctures. Computer-optimized tread design for reduced road noise. All Amazon product details and links has been given in the video description. Our list at number 8. Kenda Klever KR29 Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Load range, E, PLA rating, 10. Outline white lettering. Speed rating, Q. Mud terrain. Advertised prices for a single tire only. Wheel not included. Our list at number 7. Couragia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Large aggressive shoulder lugs. Uniquely designed incremental blockage improves clearance of dirt. SRG slope radius gradient, block design increases block stiffness, enhances performance. Bar at bottom of groove clears mud. Specially formulated advanced tread compound resists cuts, chips. Our list at number 6. Couragia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Large aggressive shoulder lugs. Uniquely designed incremental blockage improves clearance of dirt. SRG slope radius gradient, block design increases block stiffness, enhances performance. Rock particles and provide ultimate off-road traction. Chips and abrasions for long life and even wear. Our list at number 5. Couragia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Large aggressive shoulder lugs. Sand for constant performance. Sand for constant performance. R at bottom of groove clears mud. Our list at number 4. Couragia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Large aggressive shoulder lugs. Rock particles and provide ultimate off-road traction. Rugged off-road performance with the looks to match. Unprecedented traction, grip and strength. Pattern engineered to clear foreign substances to ensure constant performance. Our list at number 3. Milestar Patagonia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Great tires, extremely quiet and smooth on the road. Great in mud and sand. Brand, Milestar. Model, Patagonia MT. Package dimensions, 33 by 33 by 12.5 inches. Our list at number 2. Mastercraft Corsair Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Load range, E, PLA rating, 10. Black sidewall. Speed rating, Q. Mud terrain. Advertised prices for a single tire only. Wheel not included. Our list at number 1. Milestar Patagonia Mad Terrain Radial Tire. Features. Very quiet tires for such wholesomely aggressive looking tread. These are a very aggressive looking tire and perform very well off-road and on. Brand, Milestar. Model, Patagonia MT. Package dimensions, 34 by 34 by 11.3 inches. All Amazon product details and links has been given in the video description. We try to find good products from Amazon and make videos so that you can buy a good product. We want a like for this video from you and subscribe for a next video.